Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you simple way to fast track your request to the Almighty using simple ingredients, honey and thyme. If you are interested in this, then let's get into it. Okay, you are welcome back. If you have been desiring good spouse, good husband, good wife, if you are looking for a good job, you are looking for promotion, you have been seeking employment in different places, you plan to travel, you have tried severally to travel abroad or to travel to a destination of your choice, but things seems not to be working or they are getting very slow. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to fast track this using original honey and thyme. So, what are the ingredients we are going to be using? Number one, we are going to be needing an original honey. This is my original honey. This is my honey. It's an original honey. You need an original honey. Then, secondly, we are going to be using thyme. Any thyme we do, but this is a dry thyme and it's the normal cooking thyme, the one we use in cooking. Now, the third thing we are going to be needing is we are needing a clean bottle. We are needing a clean bottle. So, how do we prepare? That is the second step. How do we prepare this? To prepare this, you need to get a clean bowl like this. You need a clean bowl. You can see my own glass bowl. You need something like this. Then you pour your thyme. You pour your thyme. I'm not going to be doing much of this because I already have my own. I just want to show you. So you pour this thyme in. You pour the thyme into a bowl like this, a glass bowl like this, or you can pour it directly because we are going to be pouring this inside this plain bottle. So what I do is this: I will just scoop this and put in my bottle. I'll put in my bottle. You can put as much as you want, but for this case I've just put just a little. So after then, I will open my honey, my original honey. I will just add it to it. I will add my original honey into it just for the purpose. I'm not add a lot according to your desire, as much as you want. Just put it like that and it is done. So the preparation is done. Pour your thyme into the bottle, then add honey. The first thing is you don't pour the honey first. That's an instruction. That's a warning. You don't pour the honey first. You put the thyme. Once you put the thyme, then you add the honey. After then, you cover it. Then you shake vigorously. You allow the thyme and the honey to mix very well. Make sure you add enough of honey. Put enough of honey and you shake it very well. Once you do that, then the next thing is you are going to be keeping this. You are going to be keeping it. You keep it for good 7 days. You heard me right. 7 days. You keep it in a very safe place that is only accessible to you and you alone. Another warning is that you cannot do it during your flow, during your menstrual flow, during your menstruation. You cannot do this. You cannot do this during menstruation. If you want to do it, allow your menstruation to end. It is after your menstruation. You can't do it during menstruation. So after mixing it very well, you keep it in a safe place. No other person should touch it apart from you. No other person should open it apart from you. You are not even going to be opening it. It's going to be there for 7 good days, and you keep it separately, safe, where nobody can touch it. The second warning is that don't allow it to touch the floor. Where you kept it, don't allow it to touch the floor. Don't allow it to touch the floor. Those are the instructions. Now, going to the third part, which is how do you use it? Using this is very simple. After the seventh day, and in this case, as from the 8th day, it might stay more than 7 days, but it has to be there for 7 days. You know, some people will say after the 7th day, they forgot and this. Don't worry, but make sure it is there for 7 days. After the 7th day, then you take it. You take it out. And you open it. Once you open it, your intention must be specific. That means you are giving one single specific intention. That means you are going to be using this for just one purpose. If you desire a good husband or a good wife, or you desire a promotion, or you desire abundance, or you desire favor, or you desire traveling, anything that you desire must be specific. You don't say more than one thing, just one thing. You are going to be using this for one particular thing. That thing that you feel that you actually need is what you are going to be using this for. So after the 7th day, that means it might be the 8th day, or after, immediately, if they are stayed for 7 days, then bring it out, then pour some in your hand. Pour it in your hand, then you start praying. And this is how to pray. You just say, at this time, I want the best husband. It is my time to get the right relationship. It is my time to get the right spouse. It is my time to get the right job. It is my time to travel abroad. Because I told you that time symbolizes the particular time, period of time. That is the essence, the spiritual essence of the time. Apart from the fact that time is very good, but the spiritual symbolism of it is representing time. So the honey, the symbolic essence of the honey is sweetness. So when you now add sweetness with the time, what you are saying is that according to this time, I want good thing in my life. This time, and this is very useful, especially for those who have been battling. Some people are 40, 45, they are not married. Some are 38, they are still looking for spouse. They have that problem. This simple remedy, as simple as it is very, very effective. I've given this to so many people. I know somebody who has been battling lack of promotion. Promotion has been, when they promote everybody, they don't promote this particular person. When they promote, they don't promote her, and she's qualified. So when she told me, and I gave her this recipe, she started using it. I'm not sure she used it for a month before her promotion came, and the promotion was also backdated. It was backdated because the lady did it religiously, and that is my point. You have to do it religiously, and you have to be specific. Don't say two things. Don't give two intentions. Just one intention. If it is the right suitor that you demand, ask for it. If it is the right husband, ask for it. If it is the right job, ask for it. If you have been trying to travel, you want visa, just say that particular thing, and you say, according to this time, it is my time to get the right husband. It is my time to be financially abundant. It is my time to get the right job. It is my time to shine. It is my time to travel. You say according to, it's like this time. And once you do that, you are saying, you should affirm, should believe, you are affirming it, and you have to believe that yes, it has come to pass. It has come to pass. And that's the first part. The second part is, you'll be adding this, just drop into your bathing water. And in spiritual, I'm not asking you to put everything into this bathing water. In spirituality, once you add a particular spiritual item to another quantity of item, they become one and the same. If you add just a drop into your bathing water, that water has turned to honey and thyme. And it simply means you are attracting goodness to yourself at that particular period of time. This is not difficult. I don't want anybody to complicate it. It's very simple. You are going to be doing two things. How to use it? You are using it two ways. One, in the morning. Don't do this in the night. Do it in the morning. Add a little bit into your left palm like this. So you can see you add a little like this into your palm and you pray. This time, it is my time to have financial abundance. It is my time to make money. It is my time to make a lot of money that will give me financial abundance. If it is you are looking for an husband or a husband, it is my time to get the right husband, the best husband, the husband that I will call my own. This is my time to get married. I have been battling lack of marriage. This is my time to get married. You just pray, and you lick it. Once you lick it, you now add into your bathing water. You mix it together and use it to bathe. Use it continuously. If you use it continuously and you use it religiously, you believe in it. If you believe in it so much, it's going to work for you, because it has worked for so many people. I hope I've given you value in this video. And by the way, if you are new, you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe so that you can take this channel to greater heights. You can also donate to the channel. If you check the description, you will see how to donate to the channel, and I will also put it in the comment box where you can see how to donate. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can actually succeed together. Thank you.